I'm going to get my package with my microphone and the feeling of the dragon that I was repairing in the first episode. So now I have my packages at home right now and we're gonna do a small unboxing. So here they are. Yeah, you didn't hear me. Here they are. Big one. Very big one. Here is the feeling for dragons. Not dragons. I don't have two, I have one. And you can click here if you want to watch the first episode of my not very weekend vlog, where I did something good for this poor 15 years old plushie because I've been repairing it. So now we can feel it again and he will be thick again. So I don't really have equipment for filming like this, so here's my music sounds like, because my phone is like on this, so I can feel from above and I can show you everything. Whoa! I didn't think it will come with some condenser. Ah, here is this a little sponge, and it was a cheap microphone, so it's not a very professional one, but I think it will work. You have to start somewhere. We have another item. And here's the stand. It would be useful if I want to record something like playing violin. It already wants to come outside. I know I could have used knife, but I'm too lazy to go to the kitchen. Whoa! Okay. That was pretty explosive. And oh fuck! It's in the whole frame. Oh my god! I didn't think it was that big. He will be exclusively thick. It's nice. Ugh. Oh my god, he is so cute, guys. I think I'll name him Tom. He will be Tom from now. So now we will be getting into stuffing the dragon. So here we have Tom. He's sitting on my lap with his 3 little legs, and he will be making sure that the quality of the sound is good. So here you have our dragon, our handsome boy that we will be stuffing, and here is a big pile of the thing that we will be getting into it. So I think that the way I will be putting it inside it might look a little inappropriate, but I don't want to hurt him, okay? I have only good intentions. At first I had to cut the filling so it would fit better inside him, but later you'll see that I figured out that ripping it gives a better effect. I don't really remember what I was watching here because I've recorded it some time ago and I hadn't got time to edit it because I was taking my last yearly exams at my homeschool high school, and now finally I ended them and I have some more free time. Only final exams are left, but I don't really care about them because I only need a paper like a certificate which will say that I took them. I don't really need any high scores to get to my music university because they are separated entry exams that I have to take. Lately, I started learning Java, a programming language, and on one side it is fun, and for some time now I was interested in programming games, how they work, etc. But to be honest, on the other side I feel like I just want to prove to myself that I can do anything math-like, because I'm bad at normal math at school and I feel just stupid because I can't think with that math logic. But maybe it's good anyway if it motivates me to learn some new things? I think so. Maybe someday a video with Minecraft coded by me will show up here, who knows? So here I moved to filling the torso, but it was very hard to keep everything together inside. Not too soft, not too hard, but just perfect. This part took me the most time and I won't bore you with all of that process. Let's just go to the next level. Here you can see me filling up his cute long spiky tail. So, I finished stuffing him and all I have to do now is close him up. So yeah, I finished. Almost. There's one thing to do. We gotta shave him, like with this cloth shaver. I don't know. It's called lint remover, as I see on the package. And yeah, he looks like this. There's my foot. Okay, he's long. And he has a pocket here. That's so cute. Okay. I have finished. He looks so much healthier now. And so much thicker. Yeah, big boy. Big booty boy. Let me. He's now so much heavier than before. Show me a pretty face. He looks like he's high as but he's cute. And he has this little pocket that I showed you a while ago. He can hide someone there. Like this friend. Oh no, he's too big. So this is all for today's video. If you liked it, Please like and leave a subscribe. Hit the bell down below. And see you next time.